Ṣọ́wọ́nyá pẹ̀lú dókítà Ọlámídé Àjànàkú kọjá mo rí nǹkan fìrí bá a bá rìnrìn ká sọ pa.
ẹ̀fúùfù lẹ̀lẹ̀rẹ̀ awo wọn nílé ọlọ́sà dókítà Ọlámídé mo tún gorí ètò.
ẹ ṣeun dókítà Ọlámídé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun Ọlọ́run aṣagbára dọ̀tun.
àmín o.
mo gbádùn ètò yín gan.
ẹ ṣeun bàbá ẹ bá ní dákọ yín fáwọn aráàlú.
orúkọ mi ni Ayọ̀ Adébáyọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí AY the Rhymer.
kẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ tó sọ kankan rárá arúgbó ọjọ́ that is greater
than Ọbásanjọ́.
ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀ sá.
kábíyèsí o di arúgbó ọjọ́ that is greater than Ọbásanjọ́ ọba àìkú that is far better than Atiku ọba tí ń gbọ́ àdúrà irrespective of President Yar'Adua. He that delivered Daniel from the den of lion cannot tún bá Gbénga Daniel be compared to him.
Never.
The master of Simon Peter. No wonder Sir Peter Odili could not challenge his authority. Jehovah El Shaddai. Jehovah El Shaddai. Jehovah El shall not stand. Tell me where is El-Rufai to demolish what he has built? He that brought out money from the mouth of a fish, what a great banker. He that parted the Red Sea, what a road maker. He that hid the woman with the issue of blood, what a road maker. He fed 5,000 people with 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes, what a great multiplier. He that turned fire into air condition when Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego were cast to fiery furnace, what a great cooler. He made an ass to float on the river. What manner of man is this? Monday's keeper is present. So let me call him because his excellency is in supremacy. His majesty is in dignity. His royalty is in loyalty. His authority is in totality. He's the only God of Trinity that works in unity with all integrity and purity, coupled with a tremendous velocity and gravity. And despite the density of his responsibility, no vacancy for impossibility, because the capability of his own mentality is higher than the proximity of the graduate of any university. Ó tó jàre dókítà Ọlámídé kú iṣẹ́ náà. Orí ọ̀fẹ́ ni.
Ṣọ́wọ́nyá pẹ̀lú dókítà Ọlámídé Àjànàkú kọjá mo rí nǹkan fìrí bá a bá rìnrìn ká sọ pa.